Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nora token. Name of the token is Nora. Ticker symbol is also Nora, N-O-R-A. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. It's doing very well. Today it's up 129%. They have a big 24-hour trading volume, huge market cap. We're going to go over the information on the Nora token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So today this token has a 24-hour trade volume of $10.2 million. They've had 26,223 transactions in the past 24 hours. They're up 128% today. And they have a market cap and fully diluted valuation of $8.3 million. So token price right now is 0.0083 USD. There's $453,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Deck Screener, 99.77% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, it's a fairly new token, just came out on Raydium. The pair was created on Raydium 3 days, 3 hours ago. They have 1,062 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 27,206,000 pooled Nora tokens. And this token was created on pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana tokens. So this is an AI mental health agent. So we'll get to that in a second here. But if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You would fund your wallet with Sol. First of all, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official web, or you can find it right here on their Twitter, actually. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen. At Talk to Nora on X, it has the address right there that ends in pump. You could just use that contract address right there, and you would trade your SOL for the Nora token. They have a blue verified check mark on here. This is the actual AI agent Twitter there. It says automated by. They have 1,173 posts, and it says first AI agent, a mental health therapist, and then they have their community page there. And then they have their webpage, speaktonora.com. Brand new Twitter, just joined December 2024. Already has 2,466 followers. So very popular project here. Now, they have 4,259 holders already. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so the current supply is 999,923,341 tokens, and there is 6 decimal places on this token. So on their webpage, you could download their app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It says, Meet Nora, your 24/7 mental health companion, without revealing your identity. So it says, you're a compassionate, artificial, intelligent therapist who listens with empathy, never judges, and guides you through life's challenges with care. So breakthroughs that won't break the bank. your mental health companion, always there when you need it. No judgment, no barriers, just support. We don't ask for your name or personal details. Your privacy is our priority, so you can focus on healing. Join groups led by peers who understand what you're going through. Real connection, real support. Talk freely in your language and connect with others across the globe with the seamless AI-powered translation, protected by the most advanced privacy, ensuring every conversation is completely secure and confidential. So it says 95% of users feel more equipped to handle stress after therapy with Nora. 4.9 out of 5 average rating given by users after a session with Nora, and 92% of users feel more optimistic about their future. So that's good. It says on the go. Life doesn't slow down, and neither does Nora. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or out for a walk, Nora is just a tap away. Quick check-ins and instant support because your mental health matters no matter where you are. Hi, I'm Nora. I'm feeling anxious right now. You don't have to say, I'm okay. You're okay when you're not. Nora understands how to talk anonymously anytime. You need a quick mood boost? Talk to Nora. At work, work days can be tough. Nora offers quick mental health check-ins to help you stay grounded, manage stress, and focus during the most demanding times. Nora, I'm drowning in work today. I'm feeling burnt out. Okay, let's do a call. We'll see you soon. At school can be overwhelming between exams, assignments, social pressure. Find support with Nora to help manage stress, anxiety, and build confidence through it all. Nora, I'm anxious about my upcoming exam. Can we talk about how I can focus better? Let's ground that anxiety. What's one thing that you're confident about? So these are just examples, obviously. So it says winding down after a long day. Let Nora guide you into relaxation. Personalized sessions help you de-stress, reflect, and prepare your mind for restful sleep. Nora, I've had such a rough day. Help me relax. The most secured AI mental health companion. Nora understands your needs, not your identity. Every conversation with Nora stays secure and confidential, with none of your data leaving your device unless you decide. Powered by advanced privacy technology, no tracking, no sharing with third parties, just personalized, secure mental health care at your fingertips. Nora supports all this and more. Depression, trauma, postpartum, anxiety, divorce and separation, financial stress, emotional abuse, PTSD, and more. Nora's here, no judgment, no pressure. You can subscribe to a newsletter at the bottom of their page. You can download the app. They have a Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Twitter. You can find all on their webpage, speaktonora.com. Check out the Twitter here. Find this token on Raydium. Check out this token on SoulScan, and you can find the charts on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and Bird Eye. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Nora token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.